everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can extract audio from your videos on CapCut PC and basically how you can export it as like an MP3 file. So select your video and just simply right click on it and then select extract audio here, or you can you can only right click it when it's on your timeline, so you're just then going to delete the video. Once you have done that, you're going to then go to export. Actually, before I do that, you can also go to the audio section and then select extracted audio and then select import and select a video, and it's going to extract like a music file like this one. Then to export it as an MP3 file, just select export. And then you're just going to take this off and you're going to select export audio instead, and you're just going to press export. And that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.